Hi everybody! So today we're going to make these really cute little tarts. So this is a super simple recipe, so let's get started right away. So yeah, all we're going to need today are 10 little lemon tarts and 10 little raspberry tarts. Okay, and all we need to do for mixing these up is just throw everything in the bowl and mix it just until it's combined. All right, there we go. Okay, and then we're going to preheat our oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to lay these out carefully on a cookie sheet, and then we're going to bake them for about 40 to 45 minutes, just until they turn a light golden brown, and then we'll be done. So yeah, I just want to emphasize again really quick, lay these out very carefully on the cookie sheet. It's important for them to bake right. But yeah, there we go. Don't those just look perfect? But yeah, anyway, happy April Fools. Next week I'll have an actual episode. I didn't have one a couple weeks ago because I was at Fertile Equinox. So I did a little Canadian inspired thing and made some beaver tails. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.